Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Bloom Enchantix in Mythical Guardians. This guide will walk you through each crucial step, from initiating the quest to facing the final challenge. You'll learn about the specific locations to visit, the items to collect, and the obstacles to overcome. Follow these instructions carefully to successfully unlock this powerful fairy form and enhance your abilities. Your journey to Bloom Enchantix begins in Farragonda's office. Here, you must select Chapter 1, titled Chosen by Flames, to officially start the quest. Next, head to a classroom where a challenging Parker awaits. Successfully completing this challenge will reward you with a key, which is essential for gaining access to the library and progressing further in your magical adventure. Once inside the library, locate a specific purple book that will allow you to activate a portal. Head to the simulation room and step through this portal to transport yourself to Fireland. In Fireland, prepare for another Parker challenge, followed by a difficult maze. Be cautious of monsters within the maze as you search for a key to unlock the exit. The final obstacle to your Enchantix transformation is a confrontation with the powerful boss, Icy. Engage her in battle, remembering that staying close to her can make your attacks more effective. After a successful fight, a shimmering fairy dust will appear. Interact with this dust to claim your well-deserved reward and officially unlock the magnificent Bloom Enchantix form.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.